Hello guys, welcome to TechStorm. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install IPs via Appcake and third-party websites like holler2099.net. First, open Cydia and add the source cydia.iphonecake.com. After adding the source, search for AppSync Unified. Install AppSync Unified on your iDevice. After installing that, search for Appcake. You can go for Appcake version 4 or you can go for Appcake version 5. Both work on iOS 9 as well as iOS 10. Install both of them, and after respring you will see the Appcake icon on your home screen. After opening it, you will see all the featured apps. You can even search for apps which you want to download. Well, I don't promote downloading paid apps via Appcake. Please pay for them and support the developers. Well, now I'm going to show you how to install via holler.net, holler2099.net. I'll give you the links in the description below. Open the website. You'll see all the list of apps provided by them: BBRec, Moviebox, Circube, GBA for iOS, SoundCloud++, Goodnight, and some emulators. Well, in this video I am going to show you how to install iDevice Vaults via the website. Hit download and you will be redirected to this page showing you two options: open and open in Appcake. Well, you got to do is open in Appcake and it will redirect you to Appcake and show you the pop-up. Hit install and wait for a few seconds. After some time you will see iDevice Vaults has been installed on your iDevice. Well, thanks for watching guys. Please do like, share and subscribe.